Today here I'm going to show the tutorial to make Google Actions on Google. So Actions on Google is a developer platform that lets you create software to extend the functionality of the Google Assistant, Google's virtual personal assistant, across more than 500 million devices, including the smartphones, speakers, phones, cars, and more. So users engage Google Assistant in conversation to get things done like buying groceries or booking a ride, etc. So as a developer, you can use actions on Google to easily create and manage delightful and effectively conversational experience between users and your own third-party fulfillment service. So as you can see that by uh, saying on Google Assistant to play your song, play a playlist, songs and playlist, it will automatically play the songs. So like that, we can create our own actions. So let's begin. So to start with, just take a browser and type actions on Google. Now just click to the first site. So here the website for creating actions is open. Now just click to the go to action console. So here you can see that the console is being opened, and now you can see here add or import project. So by clicking here you can add project. So we have to first accept the terms of Google, that is now again continue, and now new project will open. So we have to enter the name, or we have to choose a project name. So here let's give some random name. Google Action. So I just give it like Go Action. Now English and United States. Okay, choose your country or region. So let's select India. So just select the country. I India, since I'm from India. And now just create project. So here your project is being created. It will take a couple of minutes. So here you can see that welcome to your project, Go Action, and you will see here many categories, different types of categories for which you can make any actions. So now I'm just giving games and fun. So here there will be different types of templates that we can use. So here I'm going to use flashcards. Now you can use any of that, trivia, personality quiz, or anyone. So for this project I'm just going to use flashcards. So now just click onto the overview button here, and here you can see that you have to do these 4 steps to get your action accepted. So the first one is to decide how your action is invoked. So as you can see that by in Google Assistant, if you say, "Hey Google, call my friend," then it will certainly pop up and it will call your friend. So like that, you have to give an invocation for your action. So I'm just giving here the birdie bird quiz. Okay, so I have just given a random name. My action is about a country and its national word game. So I have just given a invocation like the birdie bird quiz. So now you have a section here that is Google Assistant voice. So here there is 4 options for you: female 1, female 2, male 1, and male 2. So here I'm just going to give female 1 and then just save. So invocation details are saved successfully. Now just go to the click overview section, and here you can see that you have finished all the steps for quick setup. You have finished all the steps for quick. Okay, now build your action. So just here click the add actions, and now here you will have to select three personalities, that is Mr. Montgomery, Regal, Queen and Beast the Robot. So for this I'm just selecting Mr. Montgomery and just click next button. So now you have to fill the Google Sheet in which you will give your questions and answers and etc. So just click here upload sheet, and here you can see a make a copy of pre-filled Google Sheet for editing. So just click here, and by just clicking this make a copy, it will open a new page. So here you can see that this is a pre-filled Google Sheet, for example, to show what you have to fill. So here you can see that there is a question section where you have to give questions and corresponding answers in the answer section, and here hint. You can also give hint to your questions here, and the last one is follow up. This is an optional section. If you want to give any detail about your answer, then you can give here. As you can see that most of the columns are not filled here, but the rest three are mandatory ones, that is you have to give it. So we have to give our own questions, so just delete them all. So I have just created already created questions and answers. So that is here you can see that I have given what is the national bird of Argentina, and like this I have given around 59 plus questions here in the question section and corresponding answers and hint, and I have just given some of the follow-ups for some questions only. Okay, so like this you can give as many as questions you want. Now let's move to the configuration here. So here you have to fill that the title. So I have just given the bird quiz game. Okay, you can give anything. So I'm just giving it the birdie bird quiz, and I have given questions per game is equal to, I have just given 59 questions, and just question title is equal to question title will be question country. Okay, and the answer title will be national bird. So like this you have to give the configuration, and now just click on the share button and just copy the link and click the done button. Okay, now go back to the action here, console here, just click the next and just update test. Just it will show there like this, but just click once more, it will be validated. Now it's checking for the validity of your Google Sheet that you have given. So for that just give it like this. Okay, it will take some couple of minutes to get validation about your Google Sheet. Okay, you can see here that preview data updated successfully. Now test your action. So you have to test your action whether it is working or not. So just click here. So just click here.
Sure, getting the test version of the Birdie Bird quiz.
So you can see that the first question is being asked, what is the name of national bird of Aruba? So I'm just picking some random answer. Okay.
Sorry, not it. Would you like a hint?
Just by clicking hint.
Okay, here's your hint. The scientific name is Athene cunicularia. Now what you got for me?
So here you can see that the scientific name is being given, and now I'm just typing don't know.
No problemo. The answer is burrowing owl. Next question.
So you can see that our app is working successfully. So just click this cancel button, and you will get the score.
Okay, your score was 0 out of 59. I hope you practice again soon. See you later.
Okay, now just move to the overview button, sorry, overview section, and here you can see that two of the steps you have done successfully. That is, you have a quick setup and you have build your action. Now the next one is to get ready for the deployment. Just click here, enter the information required for listing your action in the action directory. So here you have to fill you have to fill these things. So first, the description. So here just give a small description about your app. Talk to the birdie bird quiz contains the quiz for national birds. So I have just given a small description about my app or my action, and a full description is also needed. So just give it 2 or more lines. Okay. Okay, now just give sample invocations here. That is how to invoke your app. So I'm just giving here talk to the birdie bird quiz. Here you can see that you can add invocations up to 5 samples. That is now I'm just giving one more invocation like speak to the birdie bird quiz. So like this you can give anything, how much number you want. So I'm giving here 2 of them. Now just click here images. So here you have to upload 2 images, that is a large image and a logo. So I have just uploaded 2 of them already. You can upload anything you want, any image you want. You can search it in Google. So just upload your images that you want. Now just let's move to the contact details. Here you have to give your email ID, and it is required. So I have given my email ID here, and the name, developer name, is an optional one. You can, if you want to give, then you can give it. Now let's move to the privacy consent. So just click here that this information will be displayed publicly. So just click here learn more, and just click the sample document, and it will move to a web page. So here there will be instructions given. Don't mind them, and just copy from here because this is the required section. Okay, just Control C. So I have copied it. Now just open your browser and just search for Google Sites. Okay, so here you can see back to classic sites. So just click there. And now click here and just click new sites. So here just give the title of your app, that is, sorry, the title that is the Birdie Bird Quiz. Okay, just enter the site name, that is privacy policy for the Birdie Bird Quiz. Okay, sorry, privacy. Okay, now just click the text box button here and just paste the content which we have copied. Okay, now the next thing to do is that you have to remove this app name here and just give the name of your app, that is the Birdie Bird Quiz. Okay, like this you have to remove all the app names given here and just paste your app name there like this. Okay, one and here. So like this you have to do everywhere. I'm just giving here also. Sorry, here. So give it to wherever you want your app name to be seen. Last here also. Okay, so you have given your app name everywhere. Now just remove this first developer name and give your name there. That is Adira. Okay. Now just click the publish button here. Just cross check once more that you have given everything right, the name of the app and everything, and then just publish here. So just okay, just click the publish button here. So you can see that. Okay, sorry. Just click the publish button here. So you can see that your site has been published successfully. Now just click the copy published site link here and just copy this link. Now move back to the console and just click done button here and provide the URL which we have copied here. Okay, so now we have copied this and now just click the save button. So if any error is there, then it will pop up here like the valid privacy policy is required. Before I haven't give that, so you can see that assistant have information saved successfully. Now let's move on to the overview here. So you can see here that get ready for deployment, quick setup, and all finished. Okay, just forgot one. In the enter information here, you can see additional information. So you have to select your category. So I'm just selecting it education and reference here. And okay, all the other contents are no. So just do your actions use transaction API to perform transactions for physical goods? No. Okay. Now just save once more. Don't forget to do this. Add the corresponding category of your action. So, okay, now it's all done. Now just move to the overview here, and you can see that the all three sections have been completely done. You can see that you have finished all the steps. Well done. You have finished building actions. Good job. You have finished all the steps. Hooray. Now the last one is release. So just click here. You have to send your action for review. That is, you have to give your submission for the Google, and Google will accept it if there is all the contents in your action is perfect for them. So I have just given before three versions, and it was denied. So I'm just giving it once more. So just click the submit for production button here, and just click on to this tool because you have tested your actions, you have read through the launch checklist, etc., and submit for review. And by giving this, it will take up to 1 to 4 business days to get any status about your approval, sorry, about your action. And if it is rejected, then they will give a mail about what the reason they are rejecting your app. And if so, anyway, you will get a mail. So here you can see that my version 4 is under review. The status is given here. And don't mind this one. This is just a warning. You must first withdraw your pending submissions before attempting to submit another release. Okay. So now this, you will get an email, and you can confirm about your action, and then you can use, and not only you, any user can use from their mobiles by saying the invocation you have given. So I hope you have enjoyed, and you will make a good action of your own. So thank you.